In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add the YakChat app to Microsoft Teams and keep it handy in your sidebar. Open Microsoft Teams. In the left panel, you can either click the ellipsis and then More Apps, or click the App button. Then in the search bar, type YakChat and press Enter. When the YakChat app tile appears, select it, then choose Add to install. Once YakChat is installed, you'll need to provide permission to access Teams. When prompted, click Continue to allow YakChat to integrate with your Microsoft Teams account. To access YakChat quickly, pin it to your sidebar. Right-click the YakChat icon in the Teams sidebar and select Pin. YakChat will now stay visible in your sidebar whenever you open Teams. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss an update.